Meteorologist Eric Tallman. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Our winter weather coverage continues in southeast Michigan. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm glad to have you with us this morning. We're going to go ahead and talk about the extended forecast, but our current conditions right now are light snow and fog mist across the area. The temperature currently right now is 17 degrees currently right now. The humidity is at 99% right now. We have a wind coming from the east at 8 miles per hour. Barometer is 30.29 inches. Dew point temperature at 17 degrees. Visibility at 0.75 miles. Wind chill is 7 degrees outside. Last update was February the 9th at 8:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the extended forecast, and then we've got more winter weather coverage that will continue throughout the day, so there's going to be a lot of reports and all that good stuff and breaking news throughout the day today, so you want to stay tuned for that. Okay, we're going to talk about this winter weather advisory that does go in effect from now until 12 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. So from now until 12 a.m. Saturday, we have a winter weather advisory. So that will continue as well. So for today, like we said, winter weather advisory, and we are expecting heavy snow, 100% accuracy. The temperature will be 26 degrees, the high, the low, 16 for a low, and 50% chances for snow. And then on Saturday, snow continues. The percentage is actually at 70% accuracy, snow likely. The temperature is going to be a tiebreaker of 26 degrees, the low, 19 degrees, with another snow chance at 50% accuracy. And then on Sunday, snow continues once again. Temperature 29 degrees, the high, the low, 12 degrees for a low, and decreasing clouds on Saturday night. Then after that, on Monday, starting the work week, we begin to dry out, and we'll have sunny skies with sunshine in the forecast. We have another tiebreaker of 29 degrees, and then on Monday night, the low of 13 degrees for Monday evening. So keep it right here. We'll be right back with much more coming up right after this. We've got more details coming up and more reports and breaking news coming up right after this. Stay tuned. And this is our extended edition of our winter weather coverage. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more. Thank you. And thank you so much for tuning in this morning. I'm meteorologist Eric Tallman with a lot of updates that we want to kind of keep you up to date on. So this is what we've got so far. Welcome back, everybody. Winter weather statement, and that was at 9:17 Eastern Standard Time, February the 9th, 2018. And this is for the following counties, so you want to listen to this very closely: Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, including the cities of, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I'll spell it to you, OWSSO, Flint, Lapeer, Port Huron, Howell, Pontiac, and Warren. Winter weather advisory remains in effect today. Weather: moderate to heavy snow will impact the region during the morning and peak travel period. A winter weather advisory remains in effect through today. Snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are expected between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. this afternoon, so kind of stay posted on that indefinitely. Impacts will be untreated roads are and will remain hazardous through the late morning, partially on bridges exit ramps, and overpasses. I'm also going to include parking lots, sidewalks, etc. So please be careful if you're going to be out and about in Metro Detroit as well. Moderate to heavy snow will produce low visibility for motorists. So just be aware of that as well. We're going to go ahead and take you flying here and tell you some other stuff. Okay, precautionary preparedness actions. Motorists are urged to use extra caution and account for hazardous traveling at slow speeds and allowing extra time. So once again, for those that don't know what I'm saying, I'm going to tell you one more time so you understand this. Untreated roads are and will remain hazardous through the late morning and partially on bridges, exits, ramps, and overpasses. Moderate to heavy snow will produce low visibility for motorists. Motorists are urged to use extra caution and account for hazardous traveling at low speeds, and allowing extra time. So be careful out there. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. We'll keep you informed on what's going on, and you can also get updates on the local news channels and Twitter as well. We'll be on Twitter throughout the day today, up and beyond, and we'll talk about our next chances for snow after that. But first, we got to get through this snow storm that's actually impacting all of southeast Michigan. So that's what we have so far. I've got another update coming up after this. Continue to stay with us with the winter weather storm coverage that continues for all of us in southeast Michigan and Metro Detroit. We'll be right back with those following updates coming up right after this. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. We'll be right back. And thank you once again for joining me. I'm meteorologist Eric Tolman. You're probably not going to be able to see this very well. There we go. I had to fix the viewing on this and the angle. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the rest of these updates, and then that way we'll be caught up here. Hazardous weather outlook for southeast Michigan. That does include the following counties: Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, and Macomb.